up, guys? Today we got something really cool. We got some stuff from DD's. We got a bag, giant bag, stuff, 3 stuff. We got a giant lion egg. It's almost big as I think I made other video about a Smash's egg. It was like this big, a little bit bigger, yeah, bigger. And we can open it. It comes with mystery figure, a car. No, let me read it from here. 4 stand board figures, 1 vehicle, 1 squishy, 1 putty, 6 stickers. Giant mystery egg. You get a Serious 8 roller, 3 and up. I'm 7.5, so I'm way too big for this. There you go. You pause this so you can read it. Stuff. That's it. And then we have fruit things. We have like fruit gummies. I tried one earlier, but they didn't taste that good. The red one. It's a little bit too squishy, but pretty good. Next, it's the same thing. Same thing, but it's a treasure box. It's a Ryan treasure box. Only $3. It was $5. We got 40% off, so it's $3. It comes with a Mario figure, mystery stickers, and a mystery spawn or something. Okay, first we are gonna start with Noah. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna bring Noah, my baby brother. Bye-bye, guys. I'll see you in like 10 seconds, maybe. Okay, sorry, my baby brother didn't want to come, so I guess we're just gonna, do it by myself. Okay, guys, start with the mystery, treasure box. What it looks like. Out the thing. Oh, that feels smooth and nice. And this is what it looks like without the treasure box. It feels really smooth. You can get these at DD's. This one is like 15. It was $15, but it wasn't. The usually price was 15, but it was cheaper. Let's open it. pretty hard. Woo! Gold, baby. What? That's pretty cool. Ooh, tattoo. It's a little cool tattoo. Cool tattoo. Here's bag. Another bag. Small bag. Another bag. And that's it. I'm gonna go with my mom real quick. Sorry guys. Hold on. Okay guys, my mom is coming. It will take not a while. It will take like 10 seconds. Okay, but okay guys. Hey guys, let's do this. This is what in the treasure box. These things.
There's a treasure box one?
Look, all three.
Yes. That's cool.
First, we're gonna start this one. You can maybe save this for like something in the bath.
Cute.
In the bath for water.
Uh-huh. Here's one. That's cute.
Ooh.
Oh, cute.
Same. We got the same.
Small tattoo.
I think this one might be a rare because it's golden. And usually it's like, yeah. See? I think that we got a rare one. I think. It's golden.
Nice. Show it up
Look.
close.
Got the same one as the picture. Okay. Now let's open. This one. Okay. I got a King Ryan.
That's cute.
King Ryan. These could perfectly fit on the thing. Look, this is what I'm talking about, guys. The Max D got that today too. Okay. So, well, show yourself. King Ryan. I'm the king too. I'm pretty much as a king like him.
Is that what you said? You're a king too. That's so funny.
Ooh, combo.
Ooh, combo panda?
A king combo panda.
They're royal, all right. Royal kings?
Clash Royale.
Good game.
Yeah. Comment down below if you ever open these up. A long time ago, like 2-3 years ago, my stepdad got me an egg, but it was different. A huge giant egg like this, but I think it was big, like this big, and we got a different one. You remember that one?
Yeah.
Open this one, see what figure we get. Ooh, no, it's not. It's not a figure. Ooh.
Oh wow, it's cool. The fidget spinner.
Spinner fit. It's a, what do you say?
Fidget spinner.
Fidget spinner.
Do you remember when those were so popular?
How?
We actually, little when those were really popular. A couple years ago. So all that stuff came in here. Are you gonna do your egg separate?
Hey, try it. So all the stuff. Nothing. Separate the stuff. I think that was all the stuff. Okay, that was all the stuff. Now, the big baby. Okay.
Ooh, okay, mouth in there. The scissors? Oh, come on. It's really dirty. I'm going to go to a dirty shopping cart. Get some scissors.
I don't have any. I don't have any.
I don't my mouth on there.
It's okay, it's fine. Really, right? Make sure at home. Actually, I don't say it. I let you guys be. I don't want to say it. It's fine. What?
Peel it forever.
Okay. So put it, guys. We seen a Noah egg. It was yellow and a serious one. We seen it, but we didn't want to get it. No, you said it's just open right here.
Least discount. Way cheaper than Walmart.
Yeah, these usually will be 40, 50 bucks.
Yeah.
Hold
Out of our
on.
price range at Walmart.
There we go. Good. This is in the inside, so it's fine.
Okay. All the garbage.
And 3, 2, 1. Voila. Woo!
That's cool. I haven't seen one of those in a while.
For so long.
I know.
Just too long.
A couple years ago.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that is so cute.
It's
Show
Gator.
it.
Gus the Gator.
That is so cute, actually.
It's Gus the Gator.
That is awesome. So I guess they're all different, huh? Different vehicles, I think. I'm glad I got that one. It's cute. Noah will like it too.
You put the figure in.
Cool. Oh, cool. Look at it. So it's like a pullback. Nice.
Choo choo! Hey Noah, look.
Look, Noah, you heard me say your name, huh? Brother's opening this one. You see the Gus Gator? On the right, right? You're tired, huh?
Say cool.
Okay.
No, I need candy.
One of those Jellos?
Yes.
You want to try one of brothers? Can you try one of your kids?
Yeah, not a red one, dude. But yeah, you can have it.
Can
Woo!
you pass them out, please?
You can have the red one because the red ones are not good.
Ooh.
They're squishy. It feels weird, but it feels really weird, but it's really squishy. It feels
How
really
did you open
squishy.
it? Top or bottom? This way?
Turn it with your mouth.
Oh.
Let's keep on doing it.
Okay. Open it.
Oh, it's really on me.
Ooh.
Okay. I'll open the middle one. And I'll get the thing. This kind of like a smashes egg a little bit. I see
They're cool. Keep
something.
squeezing it. Sure. It's like Jello candy, huh? They're cool.
Ooh.
Squeeze.
Look.
No,
What?
Ooh. That is awesome. Oh, wow. Those are all the vehicles? That is so cool.
We got the purple one.
Wow.
We got the purple one.
There's really pretty cool stuff inside.
You
I
mean
was a kid,
pretty?
I would like it.
It's not pretty.
No, pretty cool stuff inside.
I want this one, this one. This one, this one, this
And what
one.
is that? Oh, those are stickers?
This
Those
one,
are just
this
stickers.
one, this one,
Mm-hmm.
and this one, this one, and this one. I'll eat the blueberry one. Glow
You
in
get
the
Noah one more
dark.
of your jellies.
Oh
The
my!
jelly things.
I really want this
There's
one.
a little bit left.
I really want this one, But these two glow in the dark.
Okay.
Come on.
Let's
We
go show
really
them
need to get the glow in the dark.
I don't know how much longer the video
Give me
will
that.
last.
Give me the blueberry
We
one.
need the orange or the green
Remember, look, we have to start opening them because this might run out of time.
and this or this color.
That's
These
nice.
these
I like
three.
the sparkly ones. Ready?
And the figure and the
Let's
figure.
get the blueberry one.
What one?
Okay, stop it. And you get yellow.
Is it yellow? Okay, I'll save mine for later.
Say something.
Can I try one? Here we go. Can I try one of these? And then you go one?
Oh, this is it. Come on, pray. Please,
Ooh.
come on, please God, make
Sorry.
please God make us get a good one. Amen.
Still have mango. Ooh, it's good, huh?
Oh, oh, orange! We got orange! We got orange! Look. Wait, is that the actual? Yes, we got orange. No way. Let's go.
Is it good? Okay, before you open another, open more of these ones. If we run out of time, remember?
No,
Put it aside and we'll open that in maybe a different video.
no.
Remember all the garbage can go in here. Ugh. I can make it.
Where's the?
Is it good, Noah? Oh, Noah.
Is it squish? Is it squishy?
Mhm.
Pizza.
Oh, cute.
That's like I
So are
think.
those stickers or tattoos? They stickers, huh?
I think stickers or a
Yeah, I
tattoo.
thought it was tattoo. I think it's stickers.
Just want to figure.
Is like a tattoo?
Mm-hmm.
3, 2,
And this one, there's more
Three.
than one.
2, 1.
Ooh,
Oh!
that is awesome. There we go. Look, and this one comes with different stickers.
Let me see. Where do you got that from?
It was in that pack. Oh, I like the remote control. It's cute. Ooh, oh, cute. Oh, look at these. So maybe it comes with how many stickers?
6.
Cool. It comes with 6 stickers. Oops, my phone's dying.
Okay. Okay, guys.
Cool.
I wanted this one.
So cute.
Okay. Let's open that figure.
What figure is that one?
It's it comes with a gun.
2 more.
No more.
A laser, I think. This is a laser.
It's like a gun.
I'll buy
laser.
a Nina. I will buy a Nina one.
No.
No more. Save some for Vario.
No, Nina one. And I want to buy a Nina one.
Oh, I got jelly.
No, I want that one.
This one's mango. You like it? Can you try a pineapple one?
Pew, pew,
Try one of these ones, please.
Look, beep, beep,
So the brother can have one each. That's cool.
beep, beep. I'm
Yeah, it's like a
gonna
laser.
No, this one. I'm gonna do this.
try. Goes to figures.
Last one, okay, no?
And it's a big one.
Nina.
This one.
Oh
Ooh,
my god,
pack
that's
rat.
cute.
Pack rat.
Wow, looks like a hamster.
It's pack rat.
That's cool.
It's a rat. It's pack rat. The evil guy.
Oh, really?
What teams up
Is that a
with?
magnifying
What teams
glass?
up? What teamed up with Robo Combo?
Oh, wow. This looks good.
It comes with some mice.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, magnifying glass.
It's gonna skirt out.
Arms are sticky from that. Here, last bite.
Okay, let's
So now you gotta eat your pizza.
I want pizza.
Pizza? Okay. After your video, okay? Make your pizza one.
We do a pineapple one.
No more.
Pack
Okay?
rat.
No more. Save one for tomorrow, okay?
I'll just open this one.
Yeah, you can open that one. You fine.
Ew.
You stinker.
You stinker. Mom, I'm not gonna play this one.
Oh, yeah.
That just fix
Next,
it.
D.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, that is awesome.
This is a
I
great
like the
thing.
hairdo. It's like a space invader or
Can you
something.
help me fix this?
Space god. Yeah.
I get a squishy, I forgot.
Those are so yummy.
I didn't get a squishy yet.
Oh yeah.
You just play with me, please.
Yeah, I play with you too.
She's like
For the
duck
squishy,
down the
for
building.
the squishy.
You cheat it.
What? No way. Try it again. A little harder. Whoa, you did it. Try it again. Oh, you can't forgot.
I really want.
She's gonna win it. She's gonna win on that.
Okay.
Mermaid Lexi. Mermaid Lexi. Mermaid.
What is it?
Mermaid Lexi.
Ooh, Missy. What is it?
Mermaid
That's what you got?
No, that's what it is. What it can be. I want Black Titan games. No, I want Black Titan Mermaid Lexi or something.
Like the Mermaid Lexi.
Combo Panda Boss Mode. The gray remote, the controller, or the tiny, or
Do
the
it look like Ryan?
what the heck? Or I want the chest. It's a squishy too.
She's gonna knock that Batman.
Okay.
Gonna cheat it. Cheat it. She's gonna knock that Batman.
Okay. Knock it down.
No.
Okay. Oh, good job.
Now you
I'm
turn.
knocking down, right?
That's a squishy.
What's it? Now you turn.
We're ready to put this baseball cap.
Now you turn, Mama.
That was fun.
Yeah, isn't that easy?
Ooh!
Now you turn.
Roller skates
That is so cute.
and ice cream.
And ice cream. Roller skate, babe. What is it called?
Get good, Mama.
That
Get
is
over here.
cute.
Roller skating.
Oh,
Let's.
Ooh.
Now you turn.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, back up. Oh, too slow.
Oh, my
Look at the back there.
Tulip.
Yeah, I'm stronger.
Yeah.
I'm bigger like you.
Oh, you did like me?
I was like bigger than you. So,
Almost made it.
oh,
Flip.
she's gonna go down there and hit Batman.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, ooh, you okay? Ouch. Wait, 3. A little too hard.
Oh, you did it.
You knocked down Batman and you knocked this down. Come on, jam. Whoa.
Now, there's Nastia.
Okay, now let's see if Batman can go up here and knock us down.
Okay.
She's gonna
3.
yeah.
Oh, the sun. I got the sun, but it's okay.
Oh, 3, 6. Now you turn.
Son from what?
Ow.
The Ryan sun.
Do a hole.
Ryan's logo sun. What? That feels so weird.
You do it.
What the heck? Feel it. It feels so weird. Feel it.
Is this squishy? Yeah. That's cool.
That's squishy. Let me try.
That's cool. You want to feel it? No one wants to feel it.
I'm gonna do the. Okay, next, let's try the putty.
This probably be the last one.
Squishy. He's gonna knock down both his toys.
Can't believe we got orange. We got so lucky
Cool.
we
You
get.
got a lot of things that you actually like them. That's cool.
Knock down both
When can we
toys.
get it again?
Oh my gosh, is this your teriyaki stick, Mom? Jeez. Feed it to the dogs.
No, I will put it
Let's put your
up there.
stickers in this one.
I'll put both. I'll put both
Is this
toys
cute?
on it.
I like this one.
Oh! It lied to me.
Oh my god, it tricked you. Ooh, that's pretty though. So what color is it actually?
It's right.
It's white with
No,
sparkles.
it's white.
It's this one. Illusion Hollow.
Aww.
Illusion Hollow. That's
Aww.
pretty though. It's alright.
He's gonna knock down off the square. He's gonna knock down.
The egg? Do you want to put all these little toys in the egg? Or just
Yeah.
close it like that? Hold on. When you're at the putty, put it back in this little thing. Put this one's over here. Careful.
Ow.
I don't want you to get that.
Ow.
This is pretty. Oh, do not get this on your clothes, okay? Because remember last time? Then it sticks. Okay.
Ow! That's too hard.
Oh, no. That's just careful.
Ow, it hurts.
Stop biting your nails.
I'm
Okay?
not biting them.
She's gonna sting tomorrow. It'll feel better. 'Cause it's too short. Your nails are too short. So it's a pretty color. It's like shiny.
I wanted to go in the dark color.
Such color.
Now,
This is pretty.
he's gonna knock down
It reminds me of those cars when they have like that pretty paint color.
knock down this down.
This would show it. It's like a pretty, like shiny white.
He's gonna knock down the Batman.
Want to throw this one away too?
What?
It was cool. That's it for today, guys. Bye.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.